Here is calm time. Through the windows of my mind, I catch the breeze again. Try to find a place. Try to live the game, but then again I couldn't stop to think of us. I couldn't move the things I used to do. Time is up, the darkest sides behind the traps of those who win the truth. My thoughts go far and near. I see some shadows on my place. Had to come back to my roots to let the flowers blow, to let the flowers grow. Here was gone the time. Day by day we're writing down the story of you and me.